The Atlantic Richfield Co. wants to build a backup system at the mine in Butte just in case the dam at the Tailings impoundments fails and potentially floods the city. MTN's John Amy finds out if this catastrophic event is even possible.
Could this dam north of Butte, holding back 30,000 acres of mine waste and water, ever fail and flood the city?
Everything built by man can fail.
But that's highly unlikely, according to Montana Resources, that the dam at the Yankee Doodle Tailings impoundment could ever be breached. Concern about the dam came after the Atlantic Richfield Company that used to run the Butte mine called for an early warning system at the Tailings impoundment in the event of a disaster. Montana Resources officials say there's already a system in place.
But it's having the effect of creating fear where no fear should exist.
The large dam has about 120 monitors around it and satellite technology that can let Montana Resources know of any movement. Officials say only an event on a biblical scale could compromise the area.
We designed for floods that have never been seen ever before. We designed to earthquakes that have never happened in this area.
I'm actually standing here in the Yankee Doodle Tailings impoundment. I'm walking on the area known as the beach. These are the tailings right here. This is where the leftover mine waste goes after they've removed the minerals from it. And right next to me is this large earthen dam. It is massive and very unlikely to ever be breached.
It's roughly about 700 to 750 feet high at its highest point. At the base, at that high point, it's a half a mile thick. At the top, two of our 240-ton haul trucks can pass each other on the top of it, and there's still double that amount of room.
Atlantic Richfield still plans to build an extra pumping system that can remove more water from the mine in the event of an emergency. In Butte, John Amy, MTN News.
Montana Resources adds they welcome the investment in the new pumping system, which would be completely paid for by the Atlantic Richfield Co.